said the video is gonna be different. There's not mouse pad. Anyway, today I'll be fixing an Note 3 Neo. Got two. This one has something software related. This one has bad screen. So, what am I going to do? Is first up try to reflash this, so I can. So if I can see if it's really bad or not, and then if this is good, then I test this. If this is not good, then I take the board from this and put it into here. As I already did with the battery in the back cover. Also, no sticker. Bye-bye. So what am I gonna do is take the egg, hook it up to my PC, and flash firmware into this. Where is that? Here's that. First put it into flash mode. I charged the battery earlier, so probably has been custom ROMmed and failed. Yeah, and let's flash. It's flashing. Anyway, let's set it up. The dashboards are pretty much the same-ish condition. Just gonna skip everything. And there we go. And that's the Note 3 Neo. And that's the Note 3 Neo compared to the Note 3. It's basically just ever so slightly smaller. And the sides look like the S5 instead. Not that different. Yeah, I think this is 1080p and this is 720p. So, very similar. As you can also see, it doesn't have the goofy eye USB 3. And the camera looks like that instead of that. Doesn't feel too different. This one has like a brushed metal type of thing, while this one has a weird pattern. And can see that. Anyway, now let's see if this one actually boots up, so we need to open this one up too. Yeah, this one looks fine too. It's even on all the firmware, it seems. Oh, I can't get the pin. Means that there is only one way. Go and hold the home button on the screen or phone. Collection and this goes to my Civil department. Thanks for watching.